Hey guys, want to get a chance to win some free money? Well, all you have to do is click on the link in the description below where it says click here to become eligible for the free money giveaway. Once you follow those instructions, and when I reach 6,000 subscribers, 2 people will get a chance to win the free money. So go ahead and click on the link, follow those instructions, and help me get to 6,000 subscribers. Now let's get into this video. You have tuned in to AppGrind TV with your boy Reggie P, and I help entrepreneurs make money on autopilot. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get paid for free now, and it's no work required. Now, if you're new to my channel, I help entrepreneurs make money online, make money on YouTube, and make money with the apps. And for every 1,000 new subscribers I receive, I give away free money. So do yourself a favor right now and hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop. And give me a like. It really helps out my channel and it helps out this video to be seen by more people on YouTube. And drop that comment down below if you have any questions. Any questions at all about what I'm talking about today in this video. Now, this method is absolutely free to start. You don't need any money. All you need is a cell phone and an internet connection. You're good to go. Now, please watch this video all the way to the very end. Please watch this video all the way to the very end because I have a special bonus I want to share with you guys. Now, without further ado, let me hop over here to my computer and show you this method. Let's grind and let's get it, grind family. Okay, guys, I'm at the website and I'll tell you the name of the website in a minute. But it says here, turn swipes and taps into cash. Earn $5 per day. And it's available on Google Play and the Apple App Store. So guys, you're really not going to be doing any work at all. So what you're going to do is download this app. If you got an iPhone or if you have an Android, you'll be able to download the app and you're just going to be swiping and tapping on your phone and you're going to make money just doing that. You do that already, and that's not no work that you're doing. That's just something that you do already every day with your phone. Now, let's scroll down here and see what else they got to say about this website. So they have 24/7 support, and they have many rewards. So when you're doing the swiping and tapping, you're going to earn coins for cash. So they have free mobile recharge and free talk time and gift cards. Now, easy to earn coins. Get these offers on your lock screen and swipe to take offer. Simple as that. So guys, on your lock screen, all you'll do is swipe and you're going to be getting paid every time. Now, they do have other ways that you can make money if you decide to go ahead and do some work. So you can try apps, visit pages, or complete tasks and surveys, whichever way you prefer. So if you want to do that, you can. But if you don't want to do any work at all and just swipe on your phone, you can do that and get paid, guys. Now, here's some frequently asked questions. So when you redeem your rewards, you can redeem it as low as $2 or $5, depending on the different type of rewards that you receive. So you can cash out and get $2, or you can cash out and get $5. Now, when you cash out, you have to have a PayPal account if you want to get your money, or you can have a bank transfer. So if you have a bank, you can have it transferred to your bank. Now, the other thing, guys, it's going to take 7 days for you to receive this money once you make it. So it's not really that short time, but it's really not that long of a time. We have other websites and other apps that take 2 weeks to a month for you to get paid, but not with this. 7 days, you'll get your money. Now, also, guys, they have cash back, so you can earn cash back while you're shopping online. You do that every day already. So you can go online and shop and get cash back and get paid that way also. And here's all these stores. Look at this right here, 7% cash back. And you can see right here, AliExpress, 4% cash back. Best Buy, 39 cents cash back. Macy's, 6% cash back. So as you can see here, they have a lot of stores and brands where you can go online and get cash back. And they have all different type of categories. So you can shop electronics, fashion, health and beauty, household, food and beverages, services, and gift cards, guys. And here are some of the gigs, guys. If you want to actually do a little work, you can watch to earn. So you can watch Twitch and get paid that way. You can watch YouTube and get paid that way. And they have review to earn. So you can go to any of these websites and review, like Yelp, Google, TripAdvisor, GetApp. And then you can buy to earn. So you can go to Amazon, buy and earn. You can go to Etsy or Patreon. Okay guys, the name of this website is Moocash. So if you're ready to get started making money, doing really no work at all, go to getmoocash.com, or you can go to the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store and download the app. All right, thank you for watching this video all the way to the very end. Before you click away don't forget to hit that like button for me and help me to get at least 50 likes, guys. That's all I ask, just 50 likes. And drop a comment down below if you have any questions about this method. And please share this all around the internet, because I really want to help everybody I can to make money online and become financially free. And last but not least, please hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop, because I make videos like this every other day. Okay guys, let me tell you about the special bonus. The special bonus is this. Please type this word that's going to pop up on the screen right about now. It's going to help you increase your chances of winning the free money once I hit 6,000 subscribers. So type that word down in the comment section right now. Now, one other thing before I go, guys, I want to give a shout out. So every video I put out, guys, I'm going to do a shout out. So please drop your comment down there, make it a creative comment, and your comment might get picked and be in my next video. Now, here's the shout out. I want to give it to this person right here. I'm going to pop the comment on the screen right about now. Thank you for your comment. Really appreciate it. Keep watching my videos, keep sharing, and keep hitting that like button. All right, guys, that's it. Thanks again for tuning in. Thanks again for your support. I always say this is not my channel. This is the Grind Family channel, and we're going to the top, guys. All you have to do is keep watching my videos, keep sharing them, and keep hitting that like button, and we're going to the top. And as I keep growing, I'm going to keep giving out free money and free prizes and all types of great stuff, guys, plus good content. All right, guys, that's it. One more thing before I go. Get your grind on, because the grind is real. Go check out some of these other videos until my next one come out. Peace and have a prosperous day.
Get your grind on, yeah. 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 Get your grind on.